Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kanong ba Shillong hakasin ke Banyngkong kalasaki ya ke jingpenlong ya ke Kelvin Cinema Film Festival haka nyau tarik unai wing arjar khat khandai ya ke bala Plie perda da ulat ke Jylla utatha gata roy harengkat ke jingidon lang ke nongsna film bepaunam ke rimandas kum ke sembut kongsan. Hagani kasngi la punkup buramru ya ki saungut ki nongsna film bepaunam jong kathain chetai lamingi jong gari India ki bala ki ustet bha haka kamshna bat penmi film. Kini kisaungut ki kentup ya karima das nagamta ka film Assamese bala ai kerteng bulbul can sing nang tau Dominic Sangma nagamta ka film Garo bala ai kerteng ma amma kat ba arngut ki weipat ki kentup ya ka Manju Bora nagamta ka film Pangchen Pa in the Land of Poisonous Woman bat ka Bobby Sarma Barwa halor ka film Sherdukpan bala ai kerteng ka Mishing nalor kini ulat ulasamru ya ka khusnam bakerpang lani ka Unsung Hero Award yauba Elbarwell nong klau namar ka jingno senyang jong u hakaput ka tem naduk karta ba udang don khat arsnem ka jing pelong ya kani ka film festival kalong ban pun selur syu ya ki nongsna film hagani ka thain ka ban sakut no haka khandai tarik unai weng arjar khat khandai da ka jing sam ya ki khusnam shaki film ki ba shimanta hagani ka tamasa.
Actually, I was wondering how this had got to be named as Kelvin Cinema, and I thought that whoever did it sure deserves thanks from me, because it kindled a lot of childhood memories in me. By now, quite a few of you, particularly those who have been in this town for some time, know that I spent my childhood, or part of my childhood, in this town. And I have very, very pleasant memories, and not the least of which were the films that I saw in Kelvin Cinema. The look of Police Bazaar then was different. You walk down from Police Bazaar towards Jail Road. On the left, you'd see that Sardar Tel Singh's shop, and then Kelvin Cinema. On the right, there would be Mukherjee Brothers, and further on the right side, the State Transport Office, and then on to Chapala Bookstore. Out of all these things, State Transport Office is of course there, and Chapala Bookstore, but the rest have vanished. This city has been made what it is today by a number of families, among them Marwadis, Sindhis, Bengalis, Assamese, who had come here, settled down and made this city their home. Ingress of television. Cinema halls are all closing their doors. In my native city of Kolkata, most cinema halls have closed, except the Inoxes are surviving still. And even over here in Shillong, I remember, apart from Kelvin, there was a hall called Garrison, and then there was Singhania Talkies, which is now with the Ramakrishna Mission. It's called Quinton Hall. There was Biju. There was one other, and I believe Anjali is still there. So it's not completely gone, and cinema as a means of entertainment, as a means of education, I believe has not lost its utility. In spite of so many other things, now you can see a whole cinema, a whole movie on a handheld. But even so, the fun of watching it on a 70mm screen still remains what it is.
Jingpu jong pelong ya kini ka Kelvin Cinema ha nong ba Shillong kan kong kalong bangi kwa bangin ting salam ya ka Kelvin Cinema ka Kelvin ka cinema ka barim pat ka baladu no na ka jing sha shop ba mariang bi ka mau ba kala pulu no de ni pelong ya kini Kelvin Cinema Banyngkong kalong ba ni kwa bangin promote ya ki film khasi namar ba ha kani Kelvin Cinema ngipin ko purom ya ki film berpia jong ka than chete lam ni pat hakan ni ku buram ru ni ru ku buram ru ya ki badai jong la jong ku kamtam ku ni badang ebrol mentan yo ya ku snam on song hi kadi ka ba ila contribution ke jong i ha kalian ke music kalau ka babon ha ande umpat don ba lesi ban ong no ba itu ya badang ebrol tena kalian ka kelvin ni ku buram i da ka bangi itu i ba ila no sinyang ya ka imlang salang nang tadi ru ngidon ka benta ka ba art ka bangi pendang itu short film ngidon hadu raspa tam tili ki film ki balaya simmenta bat napo megleru ki bon bagi basim mentan re namar bangi ha banjiet ya ki bab hatam la banong no ki bab hatam tingi short list no nak ki raspa ki sim no stang spotli bat na breng kita ki spotli artli ki don film ki banapo meglaya kawai kade ka maustran ketu kawan hak tin nepali bat kawai kade ka jomosap kade ka lale hi da ka snatnis college ki khana jong khana puri jong snatnis college bat kawai pat kade ka film jong iba el thar widow ni kata kade hak ti rai ka ki budget ya kani ka film kide hi ki juri ki banabar kide ki bat tibet balong ki badan ya ka jing sampang hak film ngim jet mangi ni ai hak ki juri kuma i film i mene ya ki juri pangila pani tu kitu ki juri ki jet ngim nak mat ong man mandot kelas tu hi kade ka ba kacaka ka kamnyam bun nama ka capacity ha pos central ni ton terus pa sampo dili exit kalong abha bangin la bandu nei ka bangile kalong ni plat ngim sim jing siu khindia ru kadon kapas ka bangila bu ya ki bangila ai kapas minta kala lulun baru khat tang ki bayo pas kinla banwan pet ya kan film yo du leina ka nang pet ba ngapa du bani tu ha ju kapor baya ka film yo du ngin pelat pet ba kila ban yo i pet ba no nado ka khat san trik minta ulai bat kata kalong ka po biju bat ha ho kala ya ni khot su halu ya baru khat ni khot su halu baru khat nama baya ka yo du ni ai da kapas ka ba jing thu hi kalong namar baka jaka kret palat umdei boong bangi thau ya no kamdon kata boong bangim kwa bangin khot ni ta ngim khot re kalong be kapas ni ai be da ka long no first come first serve